Hi there. Imagine this. Every day, your inbox is flooded with the lead emails, and your team doesn't have the enough time to reply to all of them one by one. All these leads, or at least most of them, never make it to your CRM. Why? Because manually extracting these details and entering into your Pipedrive CRM or any other CRM is a time-taking task. But what if I could tell you there is an automation that could turn your leads into these opportunities instantly and save them to your CRM? Introducing our Email to Pipedrive automation system. A smart engine that reads your emails, analyzes it, cleans the data, and also stores that data in your CRM, making sure that there are no duplicate contacts and every lead is being followed up on. And the best part, everything is done with perfect accuracy. So let's jump into the scenario to see how it works. So this is my make scenario, which is starting off with a trigger that is of the Microsoft email trigger. It watches every single email I have on my Outlook. Then I'm using a text parser to format the emails into a certain format. Now we are using the OpenAI to finally transform this email data into separate contents as email, name and other contact details. After that, we are just searching for the organizations. If it does not exist, we'll create one, and if it already exists, we'll just update the same. So this checking part is done in two processes. First, we search the organization. Then, if the organization exists, we update it by searching the particular lead. If the lead does not exist, we then create it. Or if it exists, we just update it. Then on the second route, if there is not an organization, we create an organization in the Pipedrive, search for the deal, and then create a lead and assign that lead to specific sales. So that's all about the Pipedrive CRM automation. So this automation helps you decrease the manual data entries and reduce errors. And it also ensures that every potential customer is being added to your Pipedrive CRM, so that now your sales team can purely focus on the selling part rather than the admin task. If you like this automation and you're ready to turn every email into a lead stored in your client database, contact GrowStacks today and let your email inbox turn into a revenue engine. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.